Paranormal abilities are the lifeblood of Zhineng Qigong Science. September 12, 1998. The most important characteristic of Zhineng Qigong Science is the use of paranormal abilities to know and change the world. To begin with, we need clear theoretical understanding. Yishi's paranormal abilities know no boundaries and range from the micro to the macro world. There is no distinction between difficult or simple with paranormal abilities. That only occurs as a judgment within the reference framework. When it does happen, some of Yi Yuan Ti's functions will be blocked and won't work well. We now need to develop Yi Yuan Ti's potential, which requires us to overcome restrictive thinking that dominates in Yishi and limits its abilities. The key to using paranormal abilities is that Yishi needs to be empty, aware, and pure, relaxed, and focused. Once Yishi enters a state of emptiness and awareness, use image thinking or conceptual thinking to allow Yishi's paranormal abilities to emerge. If you use conceptual thinking to help you, combine it with an image of the result. For example, when you use Yishi to break a needle, you can visualize the process of the needle breaking, or you can simply think, needle break. But Yishi must combine with the result, the image of the needle already broken. Many practitioners don't appreciate the importance of relaxing Yishi. When they remove a tumor, they say loudly, "Tumor, disappear, disappear, disappear," and use physical force. The mouth, throat, lungs, abdomen. All those movements are bodily force. They don't increase the power of consciousness, rather divert it and reduce its power. The power of Yishi is very important with paranormal abilities. Yishi must penetrate the object and completely merge with it as one. Paranormal abilities are the entirety function of Yi Yuan Ti. So when you use them, Yi Yuan Ti needs to be Shu Jing Ling Ming. You need to even forget the idea of using paranormal abilities. Yishi's power will be scattered and reduced if you think, "I will be successful." Practice of small methods to develop paranormal abilities improves the clarity and purity of Yi Yuan Ti. They work directly on increasing Yishi's ability to control the body and qi and improve its ability to receive information. So practice of those paranormal methods is an essential part of Zhineng Qigong. Zhineng Qigong practitioners who want to develop paranormal abilities need to gradually break open Yi Yuan Ti's distorted and fixed reference framework. To understand Han Yuan entirety theory more deeply, we need to experience it from the level of paranormal abilities. This is a higher level practice than ordinary abilities practice. Everybody needs to make an effort to do this. Without paranormal abilities, we cannot adequately grasp Huan Yuan entirety theory and cannot move from fixation and attachment to deeply experience Han Yuan entirety. If you want to improve your healing abilities, you must increase the penetration power of consciousness, and to do this, you must develop paranormal abilities. Usually, our Yi Yuan Qi mainly combines with bodily Huan Yuan Qi. When the body moves, bodily Han Yuan Qi is transported through the nervous system to the brain, where it disturbs the clarity of Yi Yuan Qi, more in some people and less in others. The entirety function of Yi Yuan Qi develops when there is no disturbance. If there is little disturbance, Yi Yuan Qi will remain relatively clear and have strong penetration powers. If there is considerable disturbance, this means Yi Yuan Qi has combined strongly with bodily Han Yuan Qi, and so has become unclear with reduced healing abilities. Only when Yi Yuan Qi becomes clear and pure and gradually throws aside the influence of bodily Han Yuan Qi does it become finer and its penetration power becomes stronger. Paranormal abilities are necessary for the development of Zhineng Qigong. They are needed for each individual's practice to reach a higher level. They are needed for Qigong to reach a scientific level.